I just wondering what movie, what video I can make today. I'm gonna go to have a business visit and nothing. I'm gonna buy something and call someone not pick up and print some parts, and that part is client part, so I cannot show. So what should I make something? What video I should make today? After this mine come out, something happened. Remember 2 days ago I built a pipe joint with SLA 3D printing. I have no idea. Just now, just like 5 minutes ago, it happened. This breakout, and then I found that the part became softened. It should be the tough resin ABS like. Seem like it absorbs moisture. It absorbs water, so it becomes soft. And at the end, it just break out, like spray out everything else. So water everywhere. So I just go to fix it with another part. But I think that is not a long-term solution either. I'm going to buy the part anyway. So it's a failure design. Sorry, actually it's not about design, because the design is just like something in the market, just a material. So if I want to make this pipe survive, I should use some different type of material. Maybe ABS? Well, I would try to search it out. I already found the answer. I just get from a reply from supplier. This material is not stand for water, so which is I'm stupid before researching it, and when it stand to water it becomes soft. That's why my pipe joints break apart. So even I cool it, maybe it will harden back just because of the water dry out, but not the case. Which means I cannot use this material as water pipe joint. Which I got another type, but I just put a temporary that they printed two, then temporary I put another one in, so which is that it may not stand for 2 more days. So I'm going to buy the PVC pipe back. But as a challenging, I will order some material called LCD 9000. That one is standable for water. That will be a different story. Well, what else to say about this? Well, today actually nothing special about. Well, I will then I better go back to work. I got my website to finish. Then see you tomorrow. Bye. When the video is finished, please subscribe and like my channel. Oh, by the way, this Captain Marvel is spray paint to gray color. Look at the detail, it's crazy, right? Beautiful, but I cannot sell it. Unfortunately, this is something else. Whatever, see you tomorrow.